This is an exercise that involves the order of operations. We want to calculate this expression. We want to simplify this expression and do the calculations. And we see that we have some divisions, we have a subtraction, an addition, and we have a multiplication. And the order of operations tells us that we multiply and divide before we add and subtract, and that we multiply and divide in order from left to right. So the first thing that we'll do is to do the division 256 divided by 3.2, and that quotient is 80. So we have 80 divided by 2 minus all the rest of the expression, minus 1.56 plus 78.325 times 0.02. Now we have another division here, 80 divided by 2, so that's the next operation that we'll do. And we get 40, and just rewriting the rest of the expression. We have a multiplication left over here on the right-hand side. We have this multiplication by 0.02. So we'll do that next. And that is equal to 1.5665. Now we just have additions and subtractions left, and we'll do those in order from left to right. I'll have 40 minus 1.56 first, which is 38.44. And that's plus 1.5665. And doing that last addition, we get the final result, 40.0065.